Okay, I'm gonna make 2-methylpropanol. To start, you need 1 oxygen, 4 carbons, oh, there it is, and 8 hydrogens. So I like to start with my oxygen and carbon because it's a double bond. So I like to take the single stranded side of the oxygen and go in with the carbon and bond the first one together, and it's going to kind of twist, and that's when you can bond the second side together, and that gives you a double bond between the oxygen and the carbon right here. We know that carbon has to have 4 bonds to be complete, and we also know that this structure is branched and not a carbon chain, so we have to be careful with where we're putting our carbons. So this carbon has 2 bonds, but it needs 4, and we know that we need to add another carbon. So we can add it really anywhere, it doesn't really matter, either side. And now you have 1, 2, 3 bonds, but we're still missing 1 bond, so we need to add a hydrogen. There we go. Now we need to add another carbon, so we can add one right here. Twist it around. Okay, and now this doesn't really look that branched, but when you add the last carbon, you need to add it to the one in the middle so that it is branched. So you can add it on either side, and now what you have is branched. Now, these carbons aren't complete though, because we still need to add the hydrogens, and they don't have 4 bonds. So let's check the first carbon. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds, so that one's good. The middle carbon has 1, 2, and 3 bonds, so we're missing a hydrogen. So if you can tell, there's only 1 strand left, so that's obviously where that's going to go. Stick it, and now if you turn it like this, you can see it has 1, 2, 3, and 4. This carbon on the end here only has 1 bond, so we know that we're missing 3 hydrogens. So let's add those on there. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and now if we look, the bottom carbon only has 1 bond, so we know that we need to add 3 more carbons to give it 4 bonds. Let me set this down and add 1, 2, 3. Now let's check our molecular formula, which we know is C4H8O. So let's look for the C4 first. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, 1 oxygen, and 8 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right here. So this is what it looks like, and we know that it's branched because this is branching off of this one. If it was a carbon chain, it would be 1, 2, 3, and then a carbon coming out of the side. So there you go.